but today is the 21st of May 2024. Also a part of the Tikkurila shopping center. I didn't film this before, this one.
Yeah.
And you probably also didn't.
Yeah.
Of course, but in 1990. December SH66243,
Yeah.
68 versions of diagrams. We'll try to rise. I believe it was open before,
Yeah.
but it has been locked up.
Asematie 6 staircase B.
Yeah. Ja Tikkurila, Tikkurila. Vantaa, modernized construction also in Finland. I don't know if that freight elevator is off of them. We can check it.
Yeah.
Beautiful art.
Yeah. Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone.
I think it was finished in 1991. Maybe this is late 1990.
Yeah.
Down again. It says 1990 also.
Yeah.
So let's have this watch.
That's